Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be making some crackers, and they're really good for college students because I know you don't have a lot of time and you may not have that much baking skills, but these are really easy to make and they're really quick and you can take them anywhere you want. And these crackers are also going to be high in fiber. They're going to offer about 6 grams of fiber per serving. They'll help you get closer to your recommended amount, which for guys is going to be 38 grams and for girls it's going to be 25 grams. And also the fiber in these crackers will help you stay fuller for a longer amount of time, unlike many of the snacks that you can find in vending machines. So the first thing we're going to do to get started is I preheated the oven to 300 degrees, and then I'm going to mix 3/4 cup of vegetable oil and a cup of water together. And oil is better to use when baking than salt fats because it doesn't have any trans fats and it also contains vitamin E. Then next we're going to start with our dry ingredients. First we're going to start with the oats, which are a good source of fiber. They're also cholesterol free. And oats are really good to have in all foods because when they're included in foods, they're usually whole grain, so you don't have to worry about whether it's just part of it or whole. And the whole grain means that there's the bran, endosperm, and the germ, and these are all essential nutrients and they occur naturally in the grain. The bran is the outer part of the grain and it's usually removed in processing, so that's why it's really good that we have it because it's rich in fiber. And the endosperm provides food for the germ, and that has carbs and protein in it. Then next we're going to add in our whole wheat flour. This is 2 cups. And the whole wheat flour is a healthier option to use instead of the regular white flour that probably most people are used to cooking with. And next we're going to add in a cup of wheat germ, and this is the inside of the grain. It's rich in healthy fats, vitamin B, minerals, and it's sodium and cholesterol free. And last we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt and mix those together. Then we could add in our liquids. And some benefits of the whole grains is that it'll help reduce the risk of a stroke, type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and also asthma. It's also healthier for your arteries. It reduces the risk of inflammatory disease. It lowers the risk of colon cancer. It's healthier. It gives you healthier blood pressure levels, and it reduces tooth and gum loss. So they're really good for you. And here we sprayed a few pans. Just want to make sure that you get it stirred up really well so it forms into a dough. Then we'll divide it out onto our 2 pans. And it's going to be kind of crumbly, but when you press it together, it sticks together. And then just roll it out. And also, to get to your recommended amount of whole grains, other foods that you could consider would be oats, like in an oatmeal. Also, you could look for whole wheat pasta or breads, and also cereals would be good sources. And then if you want to, you can also cut it. After you're done rolling it out, just place your knife, and usually 2-inch crackers are about the recommended amount. So cut them in 2-inch squares. And they don't have to be perfect, and if it's not cut all the way, you can break them when you're done. And then we'll put those in our preheated oven already, and then after, they'll go for about 30 to 40 minutes, and when those are done, you just want to let them cool, and then
You can break them apart and it's your end product.
And you can also, you can eat these plain if you want to, just put them in a little baggie for your snacks. You can also add maybe some natural peanut butter, or you can crumble it up even to use it for granola.
And we hope you like our healthy snack.